Hi everyone, thanks very much for joining me today. We're going to go through some print ad and postcard sales here in my ephemera store on eBay. First one I'd like to start off with is my sweet spot here, this World War II era stuff. I really do enjoy it. I think the ads are stunning. This one from 1944 for Oldsmobile. You can see it says, "Here come the skyrockets. Launch another rocket, buy war bonds." You got like an action scene, a military scene. Obviously it's an illustration, but it gets the point across. This one sold for $25 plus shipping. Absolutely beautiful ad here. All the way up to 1968 for this next one. It's a 2-page advertisement for Braniff International Airways. You can see that's the first part, and there's part 2. Just a black and white double-page ad for a defunct airline, Braniff International. That one sold for $19 plus shipping. All the way back to 1905 on this next one. This is just a 2-inch by 2-inch advertisement, pony rigs for boys and girls. Back in 1905, this one sold for $12. You can see I put in the description, tiny 2x2 advertisement. Up to 1955 for a Christmas time ad with Santa Claus, $15 plus shipping on this one. It's a company called Barker, lounge chair product right there. Christmas, family scene, really nice. Christmas sells all year round. Back to 1947 we go for on this next advertisement. It is for White Rock Sparkling Water. Took a best offer, $10 on this one. It looks like it's a scene depicting a costume party of some kind, and you have like somebody dressed up like a fairy, and then you have the actual fairy. Her name is Psyche. She's the trademark for White Rock. $10 on this ad right here. Back to 1937 on this next one. It's for Stetson men's hats. It says, "This fall go gray and steel." Kind of a handsome looking ad right there. There's the top half, there's the bottom half. $12 on that one, plus shipping. Back to 1920 we go on this next ad. This is for Griswold Roaster. Housewife cooking, tender and juicy, well flavored. This is a smaller one. You can see down here it's an 8x5-inch advertisement. Nevertheless, still sold, and took a best offer of $12 on that one. A year before, 1919, also got $12 on this one. New Perfection Oil. Antique print ad is how I define that one. Makes canning easier. Let's see what the size was on this one. I don't recall. 15x11. That's a full-size ad right there. Great sale. $12. To 1914 on this ad. Perfection smokeless oil heaters. You got a baby, a mom giving a baby a bath there. This one, I also am curious about the size on it because I don't remember. 16x11. That's a nice big old advertisement. $12 plus shipping. To 1945 on this next one. Kind of unique product. Wilson Brothers men's pajamas. It's World War II era. And got $12 on this one plus shipping. All the way up to 1966 on the next one for Winston cigarettes. Just a couple of people on a beach doing some smoking, buried in sand. $12. Back to 1951 on this next advertisement for Frigidaire refrigerators. This was really nice. I got a message from the buyer on it saying that they actually own this refrigerator, and they've been looking for a piece of artwork to kind of put on top of it, you know, a frame, and display it nearby. So that was a pleasure to sell that one. Took a best offer of $12.50 for this one plus shipping. As I said earlier about Christmas selling all year round, we're going to delve into the postcard sales now. And this one from back in 1910, at least it was you can see right there, it says 1910 on there, December 25th. Joyous Christmas to you, with a kitty cat on there. Took a best offer of $8.50. Much more modern Chrome era card, Cape May, New Jersey. Postcard, Victorian Village, horse-drawn trolley. Sold that one for $7.73. A couple of donkeys, it looks like, pulling up. Next we have a linen card here, sale from New Mexico, Sacramento Mountains in the background, another one for $7.73. And now a more modern chrome postcard from Big Pocono State Park, another one where I got a message feedback on this sale saying how much it brought back memories and they were so thankful to have it. $7.73. St. Augustine, Florida, for this beautiful Ponce de Leon hotel card, linen card. Took a best offer of $6 on this one. Next is a pretty cool one, Jungle Cruise from down in West Palm Beach, Florida, real photo postcard. Took a best offer of $11 on that one. You can see it says Everglades Boat in Water. Really nice looking card there. Next one, kind of a comic card, a Hold Up on the Road, Beaverton, Pennsylvania. This one also sold for $7.73. Next is this card from Washington Crossing in New Jersey. It's a chrome postcard, more modern, $6.99 on that one. And then the final sale in this video is from Machia Sport, Maine. Probably mispronouncing that. Kelly, let me know how to properly pronounce that. It's just a postcard of the Machia River. Sold that one for $7 plus shipping. Thanks so much, guys, for joining me, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please do leave it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you have not yet subscribed to the channel. We'd be honored to have you aboard. I will see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.